On my egg and bacon sandwich, I want a ton of turkey bacon. That's why I got 2 packs. Yeah, that's how I roll. I don't want to hear no BS. I'm a big boy and I like to eat.
Perfect.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy TonyTv, and I am back with another video, man. Another video. Look, today, man, I'm making some bacon. I'm actually making some turkey bacon and egg sandwiches. That's what I'm making. So, let me get the bacon out the fridge. Oh, look, I ain't got too much stuff in my fridge. Ain't too much. Just some soda, just some water, and some bacon, and some butter, and then some leftovers from right there. So, got the turkey bacon. Good old turkey bacon. I went back to the store today to get 2 packs because on my egg and bacon sandwich, I want a ton of turkey bacon. That's why I got 2 packs. Yeah, that's how I roll. I don't want to hear no BS. I'm a big boy and I like to eat. I don't want to hear no BS. Alright, so that's what I'm making for dinner today, guys. If you're new to this channel, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, man. When you're looking at my videos and not subscribing to my channel, man, because I'll find out who you are. I'm playing, I'm just playing. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the pan ready. That's a lot of stuff I need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the pan ready and I'm gonna get everything set up so I can start frying the bacon and be making some sunny side up eggs. Yeah, sunny side up eggs. And yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, guys, I got the pan. I can't talk, god damn it. English, Tony, English. Alright, I got the pan already hot and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw my not bacon, turkey bacon on there. So take the turkey bacon. And we're gonna throw that in there. Yeah. Y'all hear that sizzle? And thumbnail. Thumbnail.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Keep doing thumbnails. God. So weird. Yeah. And the thing about bacon, guys, it don't take long to cook. I keep saying bacon. Turkey bacon. Turkey bacon. The thing about turkey bacon, guys, it don't take long to cook. It only takes about 2 minutes.
It's already cooked.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, 1 minute on each side, fried, flip it, flap it, and throw it in the damn thing, and you're good to go. So I'm going ahead and cook all this bacon up. I'll show a little montage of that, me cooking the bacon up and everything. So, now. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let that turkey bacon cook for a while. Look, you shush. I'm trying to record here. Hey, look, I got so much stuff I need to do, man.
Really? You really had to walk through
I wanted to get some sunlight, some natural lighting on my face. Don't mind that bump right there. I need to pop that. Don't even pay no mind to that. But so much stuff I need to do. I need to for my truck, right? My coolant in my truck is so muddy and dirty. I need to clean that out myself, because I'm not paying no $200 for somebody at the mechanic shop to do that, because I'm gonna do that myself. Shoot, screw that. All you gotta do is, oh, it's nice out here. It's beautiful out here. Check it out. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Well, look, I'm trying to vlog. Leave me be. I'm trying to vlog here. Like I was saying, guys, I'm trying to vlog. No interruptions. Look, middle finger, look. I got the middle finger. I'm gonna try to put but like I was saying, y'all, I'm gonna get under my truck and I'm gonna do that myself, because I'm not paying nobody at the mechanic shop no $200-300 to do something I can do myself. So let me get in here. Yeah, I can do it. You don't know that. Let me flip my bacon. I flip my bacon. I'm not cheap. Of course. Yup. Y'all tripping. Pay somebody something I can do myself. So that's the reality of things, guys. I'm gonna do that myself, man. I'm not paying nobody $200 to change nothing in my truck. Well, 150, yeah, 150. But still, that's too much. I'll do that myself, guys. So, all right, this is my second batch of turkey bacon I got in here. That's frying up. I'm about to take that out soon. Got that over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fry that up for a while, and I'm gonna go ahead and kill that real quick, and I'm gonna get to my eggs real quick because I'm hungry as heck, man. So I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm about done the bacon. Finally, I got literally 3 pieces that are done. Ooh, that thing is jumping. Ooh. Alright. Finally done the bacon. I'm gonna go ahead and get the eggs on, and I'll be finally done. And I'll show y'all the aftermath of my, I don't even sound right. I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. Finally got done all the bacon. It's up in the stove, staying warm. That's the bacon. 2 packs of turkey bacon. Alright, I got the pan preheated for the eggs. Now I'm about to make the sunny side up eggs. You gonna be able to do 2 things at once?
Yes, goodbye. You know, my issue with getting the bread. Shoot.
Yeah.
I don't want to hear it.
Get this out the way.
Yeah, that's your stuff.
Woo. You want the pan to be nice and hot when you do the eggs. Because you don't.
No. I'm sorry.
Alright, what the hell is that? Alright. 1 egg. So I got a family of 5, guys. So I need a whole box of eggs plus some.
12. It's an 18 and a 12.
A lot of eggs.
A bunch of greedy mouths to feed. You gotta get your daughter home.
Like these eggs. See, they don't like the sunny side up eggs with the yolk. Y-U-L-K. Right?
Oh.
No. I do. I personally like the yolk. Hey, I'm recording. Stop the banging, please. I personally like the yolk, so they don't. So I'll probably cook theirs a little longer.
Here.
I know.
Yeah, right in my mouth.
So you get the salt and you get the pepper, salt, pepper. Get a little pep. Not much salt, just a little salt.
Especially for you.
Yeah, especially for me. Alright. So, put a little butter in the middle. So if you get the eggs, well, I got a non-stick pan, so it really don't matter for me. If you don't got a non-stick pan, you need to step your game up. If you check back in my previous video, the pan from hell, oh God, go check that video out.
The link will be in the description below.
Oh yeah, if I remember that. Yeah.
Step your game up, bro.
If I remember. Let me turn this up a little bit more.
Look.
People hungry. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all how to cook these eggs. Then I'm gonna set the camera down here and I'm gonna do a little fast forward action for y'all. Speed this through. That's not ready to flip yet. Turn it up just a little bit. Turn that. 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 And that. Bam!
Queen must be hungry.
Yeah.
Alright. He'll be right back.
Alright guys, like I told y'all before, that they don't like their eggs with the yolk in them, so I'm cooking theirs a little longer. I can't, goddamn it, English! I'm cooking theirs a little longer, so their yolk is a little bit done.
Yeah, it's gonna be a hard cooked egg.
Yes. See that? Perfectly cooked egg.
Very good.
Show you all these other three.
Very good.
Perfect.
Very
Perfect.
Good. Very
Perfect.
Good. You should hear when he break a yolk. Oh, that's the funny part.
Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and fly through the rest of these eggs and I'm having on fast forward for y'all. Asshole. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these eggs. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow though. Any ideas what I can make good for tomorrow? No?
Not at the moment.
Well, I'll see guys, 'cause I'm always coming up with something good to eat for dinner, because you know how your boy roll. You know how I gets down in the kitchen.
Yeah.
It's true, you know how I roll. Alright guys, so I got these eggs going, about to flip these. About to flip these eggs. She cut up the bacon. That's a lot of bacon. I'm working on one of the kids' plates now. So, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish up in here and I'll show y'all everything after I'm done. Alright guys, I'm finally done making dinner. The champions of champions, man. Check that out. Oh God, check that out. Oh God. Let me get better lighting for y'all. Let me get better lighting. Check that out. That's what I call a egg and bacon sandwich. This gonna be my thumbnail. This gonna be my thumbnail. Yeah, I put a little bit of mayo. a little mayo on my bread for the eggs. Look, she eat ketchup with her eggs sometimes.
No.
I don't eat ketchup.
Mayonnaise.
Well, she use jam. I get a little mayo for my eggs and bacon, but check it out, guys, one more last time.
Salt in the damn mayonnaise.
Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you, yeah, I'm gonna end that. I'm hungry to eat, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Let's see what happens tomorrow or the next day or the next day.
Hit the like button.
Hit the like button, subscribe,
Perfect.
all that good stuff.